Today we'll be doing a repair on an EPDM roof. This system is designed for new construction, re-roofing, and is suitable for all surfaces, including wood, concrete, and metal. Re-roofing applies to torch down, modified bitumen, BUR, foam, EPDM, and TPO. First step is to wash the roof. We use a solution called Simple Green. Helps clean the roof. Once it dries, then we apply the single ply primer. This is Quick Dry, a multi-purpose primer used on all surfaces and comes in a variety of different sizes. This is the Lava 20 single ply primer used on EPDM and TPO. It also comes in a variety of different sizes. This is the Lava 20 Moisture Block Epoxy primer used on damp surfaces. And here we have the Lava 20 liquid membrane with the catalyst that helps it dry quicker and the roll of reinforcement, which is made of fiberglass. This all comes in a variety of different sizes. Here we have the Lava 20 detail. It's used for penetrations and small repairs. It's embedded with fiberglass for strength and durability. Before we start applying the liquid membrane, I look for the penetrations. This is what I'm going to hit first. As you can see, there's been some damage here before and an attempted repair. So I'm going to use the Lava 20 detail that has an embedded fleece to allow my material to stick to this. First of all, you're going to tape off the area. You're going to prime the area. And then you're going to coat the area with the Lava 20 detail. So first thing, when you're dealing with the penetration, you're going to want to use protection. All right, make sure you got some gloves on, guys. We're going to take the single ply primer. I like to use a little cup here. Not going to need much. This stuff goes a long way. Simply just pour it in a bucket, take a brush, and apply. So always remember when you're applying the primer, less is more. As you can see, one dab in the bucket will pretty much do this whole area. You can see how much it spreads. So one little dab does the whole thing. So remember, less is more. All right, that's good and primed up. That's all you're gonna need on there. So simply grab your Lava 20 detail. Comes with a little key opener. This will allow you to open the can. And you're gonna wanna make sure that you stir this very, very well, because there's a fleece membrane in here that needs to be mixed up thoroughly. You can actually see the fleece on top. Here it is here. This is what you're gonna wanna mix up. This is gonna give it the durability and the strength to hold this repair together for a lifetime. So the product must be mixed thoroughly before use. You can use a stick, or I like to use something a little more powerful. As you can see, there's the fleece that's embedded in the liquid. This is going to allow it to bond better and give it more durability and strength. The last step is to apply the Lava 20 detail. Make sure that your primer is nice and dry. Doesn't take long to dry in a hot summer day, probably 2 to 3 minutes. You're going to roll this on and apply. Simple as rolling it on like so. Look at that, boys. Now that's a nice penetration. You want to make sure you get lots of fleece in there. As you can see it all over there. You want to make sure it's everywhere. That's going to help with the strength of the product. And this is done. Now let's let that set up and move on to your next penetration. As you can see behind me, we're applying the primer. Remember, there's no benefit to over-applying. Less is more. And make sure that you shake all your Olmeck products before installing. So once the area is dried after applying the primer, we're gonna then roll out the fiberglass reinforcement. Before we start installing the reinforcement, we're gonna wanna make sure it's on straight, because once you start applying the liquid membrane, it'll be impossible to get it straight. So let's roll it out, get it straight on the line that we've chalked. There we go. You're gonna wanna pull the fleece this way. You're gonna wanna put liquid membrane under, put the reinforcement back, and then put liquid over top. Before you apply the liquid membrane, you're going to want to make sure that it's well mixed. You'll know it's well mixed by how it turns from white to gray. Once you're done mixing the liquid membrane, you'll see that the color turns from white to gray. After that, you're going to apply the catalyst to the mix. This is going to help it cure. Make sure not to use more than this. You can use less, but don't use any more than this amount. So we've now finished the base coat, we've applied the reinforcement fleece, and we wanted about a 70 mil thickness of our Lava 20 membrane throughout the whole repair. Each 25 kg bucket will give you about 280 square feet of surface area to cover at 70 mils. We just finished applying the second coat. We let it dry. We're gonna do a top coat. Top coat can come in a variety of different colors. You can find out more information at Olmeck.com.